Hi guys, I was caught my cat doing this weird noise.
So what you can technically do is get like a syringe.
Interesting insight into the culinary minds of the contestants. Now let's see how they get on with making chicken.
Don't know if you heard that, but it was like,
Making the chicken roll bigger.
so yeah, that's all I wanted to say.
So it looks like
Yeah, that's it's a weird thing for a cat to do, snoring, I don't know why,
They
but
definitely are.
see ya.
Frozen ones. When you take them out and they're frozen,
I'll do that.
like that.